So I am wanting to review this real quick. I have this Leisure Time Bright and Clear. It's supposed to clean out your water, clear your water to crystal clear, and it's supposed to grab the contaminants or the metals in your water and all the yucky shit, and the shit that will normally go through that filter, and it's supposed to latch onto them, grab them, and make them a little bit bigger so that they catch into the filter. You're supposed to let it run for 15 minutes at least, and right now I'm going to shut it off just to show you what it looks like. I just now turned it on for about 30 seconds. So here is what my water looks like right now. It's yucky, but right when I turned it on, it immediately started to do this bubbling orange scum shit. So, ugh. It's just fresh water. This is well water. So I'm gonna check those filters here in just a few minutes. I'm gonna continue to let it run, and we'll see what the change is here in a few minutes. So 2 ounces is what I put in my inflatable hot tub at the 6th person. So right here, it is 4 tablespoons. It's the same as 2 ounces. Damn it. Sorry, 2 ounces, which is the same as 4 tablespoons, or 12 teaspoons. So again, it is Leisure Time. I tried the Clorox brand before, and it was called Water Clarifier, and it was not very good. So this time, I've never used this, but this time we bought Leisure Time Bright and Clear Simple Spa Care. So neutralizes and removes particles to create clearer spa water. Restores filter efficiency, clears cloudy water. It's already looking better. I just have a lot of rust in my water. There's no poop in there. There is a shark in there though. Yeah. So anyway, you guys like watching that little spinny scum. I'm gonna get that out. Maybe I should scoop it out. I don't really know. It's like bubbling orange shat or whatever, but doing the job. Supposedly I have to wait 1 hour and check those filters and clean them out, maybe 2 or 3 times every hour, because it continues to work. But they said within 30 minutes, I think it said, it would start to show clearer water. You can start seeing the difference, and I already can. Like I said, I already can. It's not a huge difference, but that shit is. I wonder what it smells like and stuff, it tastes like. Oh. But there's a shark over there swimming, and he's just taking a dive in the stuff. He's gonna eat that stuff away, hopefully. All right, part 2 in a few, in 1 hour.